Hey guys, welcome to Initiate Scientia where science meets you. Be cool, comfortably watch our videos, and all the best for your upcoming exams. Stay safe and be healthy.
Today, now let us learn about chemistry MCQs for the coming year 2021 examination. All the best, children. Sixth lesson, chemical reactions and equations. The first question is, which of the statement about the reaction given below are incorrect? 2PbO plus C gives 2Pb plus CO2. A. Lead is getting reduced. B. Carbon dioxide is getting oxidized. C. Carbon is getting oxidized. D. Lead oxide is getting reduced. The answers are first A and B, second A and C, third A, B and C, fourth all. The answer is A and B. That is lead is getting reduced and carbon dioxide is getting oxidized from carbon to carbon dioxide. Lead oxide is reduced to lead. Second question, Fe2O3 plus 2Al gives Al2O3 plus 2Fe. The above reaction is an example of A. Combination reaction, B. Double displacement reaction, C. Decomposition reaction, and D. Displacement reaction. The answer is displacement reaction. Third one, what happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron filings? The answer is A. Hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. B. Chlorine gas and iron hydroxide are produced. C. No reaction takes place. D. Iron, salt and water are produced. The correct answer is A. Hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. Fourth question. Which of the following are combination reactions? A. 2KClO3 gives 2KCl plus 3O2. B. MgO plus H2O. You get MgOH twice. Magnesium hydroxide. 4Al plus 3O2 gives 2Al2O3. D. Zn plus FeSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus Fe. First one A and C, second C and D, third B and C, fourth B and C. The correct answer is third B and C. That is magnesium oxide plus water, you get magnesium hydroxide, MgOH twice. C is 4Al, 4 molecules of aluminium plus 3 molecules of oxygen, you get 2 molecules of aluminium oxide. So, third B and C is the correct answer. Fifth one, in which of the following chemical equations the abbreviations represent the correct states of the reactions and products involved at reaction temperature? A. 2H2 plus O2, you get 2H2O. B. 2H2 plus O2, you get 2H2O gas. C. 2H2 gas plus O gas, you get 2H2O liquid. D. 2H2 plus O2, you get 2H2O liquid. The correct answer is C. 2H2 gas plus O2. There's a mistake here, printing mistake. It is O2 gas, you get 2H2O liquid. Sixth question, in the double displacement reaction between aqueous potassium iodide and aqueous lead nitrate, a yellow precipitate of lead iodide is formed. While performing the activity, if lead nitrate is not available, which of the following can be used in place of lead nitrate? A. Lead sulfate. B. Lead acetate. C. Ammonium nitrate. D. Potassium sulfate. The correct answer is B. Lead acetate. 7. Which of the following are an endothermic processes? A. Dilution of sulfuric acid. B. Sublimation of dry ice. C. Condensation of water vapors. D. Evaporation of water. The first answer is A and C. Second, B only. Third, C only. Fourth, B and D. The correct answer is B. Fourth, B and D. That is sublimation of dry ice and evaporation of water. 8th one. Which of the following can be used for the storage of fresh sample of oil for a long time? A. Carbon dioxide or oxygen. B. Nitrogen or oxygen. C. Carbon dioxide or helium. D. Helium or nitrogen. The correct answer is D. Helium or nitrogen. 9th. A chemical reaction involves in A. Only breaking of bonds. B. Only formation of bonds. C. Both breaking and formation of bonds. D. None of these. The correct answer is C. Both breaking and formation of bonds. 10th. A balanced chemical equal always obeys. Equation. It is not equal. There's a mistake here. Equation. EQUATION. A balanced chemical equation always obeys A. Law of conservation of mass. B. Law of conservation of energy. C. Law of conservation of thermal equilibrium. D. None of these. The correct answer is A. Law of conservation of mass. 11th question. Single displacement reaction involves A. Oxidation. B. Reduction. C. Redox. D. Heating. The answer is C. Redox. 12th. A red-brown gas is released on heating lead nitrate. It is an example of A. Combination reaction. B. Oxidation reaction. C. Decomposition reaction. D. Reduction reaction. The correct answer is A. Decomposition reaction. 13th. C. Decomposition reaction. 13th. The following reaction is an example of Fe2O3 plus 2Al. You get Al2O3 plus 2Fe. The answers are A. Combination reaction. B. Double displacement reaction. C. Decomposition reaction. D. Displacement reaction. The exact answer is D. Displacement reaction. We'll continue with the 7th chapter, acids, bases and salts. First question. A solution turns red litmus blue. Its pH is likely to be A. 1, B. 4, C. 5, D. 10. The answer is D. 10. Second, a solution reacts with crushed eggshells to give a gas that turns lime water milky. The solution contains A. Sodium chloride, B. Hydrogen chloride, C. Lithium chloride, D. Potassium chloride. The answer is B. HCl. Third question. 10 ml of a solution of sodium hydroxide is found to be completely neutralized by 8 ml of a given solution of hydrogen chloride. If we take 20 ml of the same solution of sodium hydroxide, the amount of hydrogen chloride solution required to neutralize it will be A. 4 ml, B. 8 ml, C. 12 ml, D. 16 ml. The answer is D. 16 ml. Which one of the following types of medicines is used for treating indigestion? A. Antibiotic, B. Analgesic, C. Antacid, D. Antiseptic. The answer is C. Antacid. Fifth one. What happens when a solution of an acid is mixed with a solution of a base in a test tube? The answers are A. The temperature of the solution increases. B. The temperature of the solution decreases. C. The temperature of the solution remains same. D. Salt formation takes place. A only. 2. A and C. 3. B and C. 4th. A and D. The answer is 4th. A and D. That is A. The temperature of the solution increases. D. Salt formation takes place. 6th. An aqueous solution turns red litmus solution blue. Excess addition of which of the following solutions would reverse the change? A. Baking powder. B. Lime. C. Ammonium hydroxide solution. D. Hydrochloric acid. The answer is D. Hydrochloric acid. 7. Which of the following salts does not contain water of crystallization? A. Blue vitriol. B. Baking soda. C. Washing soda. D. Gypsum. The answer is B. Baking soda. Sodium carbonate is a basic salt because it is a salt of A. Strong acid and strong base. B. Weak acid and weak base. C. Strong acid and weak base. D. Weak acid and strong base. The answer is D. Weak acid and strong base. One of the constituents of baking powder is sodium hydrogen carbonate. The other constituent is A. Hydrochloric acid. B. Tartaric acid. C. Acetic acid. D. Sulfuric acid. 10th. Which of the following used for dissolution of gold? A. Hydrochloric acid. B. Sulfuric acid. C. Nitric acid. And D. Aqua regia. The answer is D. Aqua regia. 11th. Which of the following is not a mineral acid? A. Hydrochloric acid. B. Citric acid. C. Sulfuric acid. D. Nitric acid. The answer is B. Citric acid. 12th. Which among the following is not a base? A. Sodium hydroxide. B. Potassium hydroxide. C. Ammonium hydroxide. Ethanol. The answer is D. C2H5OH is ethanol. 13th. An element common to all acids is A. Oxygen. B. Hydrogen. C. Nitrogen. D. Carbon. The answer is B. Hydrogen. 14th. Generally, salts are A. Ionic compounds. B. Contain hydrogen ions. C. Contain hydroxide ions. D. Turn litmus red. The answer is A. Ionic compounds. 15th. If water contains more H plus ions than OH minus ions, then the water is A. Neutral. B. Acidic. C. Basic. D. None of these. B. Acidic is the answer. 16th. Which of the following is a weak acid? A. Hydrochloric acid. B. Acetic acid. C. Sulfuric acid. D. Nitric acid. The answer is B. Acetic acid. 17th. Which is strong acid? A. Nitric acid. B. Oxalic acid. C. Acetic acid. D. Citric acid. The answer is A. Nitric acid. Now chapter 8. Metals and non-metals. First question. Which of the following is the best conductor of electricity? Options. A. Gold. B. Aluminium. C. Silver. D. Copper. The answer is C. Silver. Second, in general, the number of electrons in the outermost shell of a metal atom is A. 1, B. 1 to 3, C. 5 to 8, D. 8. The answer is B. 1 to 3. Third, bauxite is an ore of metal A. Tin, B. Aluminium, C. Copper, D. Iron. The answer is B. Aluminium. Fourth, which of the following will give displacement reactions? A. Sodium chloride solution with copper. B. Magnesium chloride solution with aluminium. C. Ferrous sulfate with silver. D. Silver nitrate solution with copper. The answer is D. Silver nitrate solution with copper. Fifth one. Which of the following is more reactive? A. Mercury. B. Aluminium. C. Silver. D. Calcium. The answer is D. Calcium. Sixth. Which of the following is not a half metal? A. Chlorine. B. Boron. C. Arsenic. D. Silicon. The answer is A. Chlorine. Seventh. Which of the following non-metal is a good conductor of electricity? A. Graphite. B. Phosphorus. C. Bromine. D. Hydrogen. The answer is A. Graphite. 8. Which is a liquid non-metal? A. Carbon. B. Bromine. C. Hydrogen. D. Chlorine. The answer is B. Bromine. 9th. The ability of metals to be drawn into thin wires is A. Conductivity. B. Malleability. C. Ductility. D. Liquidity. C. Ductility. Which of the following do not react with cold as well as hot water? Options are A. Fe, B. Mg, C. CaDNa. The answer is A, Fe, ferrum. 11th, which is a lustrous nonmetal? A, nitrogen, B, iodine, C, oxygen, D, carbon. The answer is B, iodine. 12th, an alloy is A, compound, B, an element, C, a homogeneous mixture, D, heterogeneous mixture. The answer is C, a homogeneous mixture. 13th question. Which one is amphoteric oxide? A, sodium, B, copper, C, aluminium, D, calcium. C, aluminium is an amphoteric oxide. 14th. An element reacts with oxygen to give a compound with a high melting point. This compound is also soluble in water. The element is A, silicon, B, ferrum, C, calcium, D, carbon. The answer is C, calcium. 15th. By which action metal is obtained from metal oxide? A, calcination, B, reduction, C, roasting, D, oxidation. 16th. Which of the following will give displacement reactions? A, NaCl solution and copper metal, B, MgCl2 magnesium chloride solution and aluminium metal, C, iron sulfate solution and silver metal, D, silver nitrate solution and copper metal. The answer is D, silver nitrate solution and copper metal. 17th question. Which of the following methods is suitable for preventing an iron frying pan from rusting? A, applying grease, B, applying paint, C, applying a coating of zinc, D, all of the above. The answer is C, applying a coating of zinc. 18th. An element reacts with oxygen to give a compound with a high melting point. This compound is also soluble in water. The element is likely to be A, calcium, B, carbon, C, silicon, D, iron. A, calcium is the answer. 19. Food cans are coated with tin and not with zinc because the options are A, zinc is costlier than tin, B, zinc has a higher melting point than tin, D, C, zinc is more reactive than tin. This is C, there's a mistake. D, zinc is less reactive than tin. The answer is C, zinc is more reactive than tin. Chapter 9, Carbon and its compounds. Ethane with the molecular formula C2H6 has A, 6 covalent bonds, B, 7 covalent bonds, C, 8 covalent bonds, D, 9 covalent bonds. The answer is B, 7 covalent bonds. Second, butanol is a 4-functional carbon compound with the functional group A, carboxylic acid, B, aldehyde, C, ketone, D, alcohol. The answer is C, ketone. Third question, while cooking, if the bottom of the vessel is getting blackened on the outside, it means that A, the food is not cooked completely, B, the fuel is not burning completely, C, the fuel is wet, D, the fuel is burning completely. The answer is B, the fuel is not burning completely. Fourth, which of the following is an odd compound? A, ethane, B, ethane, C, propane, D, acetylene. The answer is B, ethane. Fifth, which one of the following is unsaturated hydrocarbon? A, acetylene, B, butane, C, propane, D, decane. The answer is A, acetylene. Sixth, major constituent of LPG is A, ethane, B, propane, C, pentane, D, butane. The answer is D, butane. Seventh, butanol is 4 carbon compounds with the functional group A, carboxylic acid, B, aldehyde, C, ketone, D, alcohol. It is repeated. C, ketone is the answer. 8. Pentane has molecular formula C5H12. It has A, 5 covalent bonds, B, 12 covalent bonds, C, 16 covalent bonds, D, 17 covalent bonds. The answer is C, 16 covalent bonds. Vinegar is a solution of A, 50% to 60% acetic acid in alcohol. B. 5% to 8% acetic acid in alcohol. C. 5% to 8% acetic acid in water. D. 50% to 60% acetic acid in water. The answer is 5% to 8% acetic acid in water. 10th, CH3CH2OH plus alkaline KMNO4 gives CH3COOH, alkaline potassium permanganate. This is acetic acid. In the above given reaction, alkaline KMNO4 acts as a reducing agent, oxidizing agent, catalyst, dehydrating agent. The answer is B, oxidizing agent. 11th, how many electrons are there in the outermost orbit of carbon? THERE. There should come, there is a spelling mistake. A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, D, 1. The answer is C, 4. 12th one. Hydrocarbons are mainly composed of which of these? A. Hydrogen and carbon. B. Hydrogen. C. Hydrogen, oxygen and carbon. D. Hydrogen, carbon and nitrogen. The answer is A. Hydrogen and carbon. 13th. How many covalent bonds are there in methane? A4, B3, C2, D1. The answer is A4. 14th. Ethanol is also known as A. Ethyl alcohol, B. Ethane, C. Acetaldehyde, D. Formic acid. The answer is A. Ethyl alcohol. Ethanoic acid is also known as A. Acetic acid, B. Formic acid, C. Citric acid, D. Nitric acid. The answer is A. Acetic acid. 16th. Which of these is not an inorganic acid? A. Nitric acid, B. Formic acid, C. Acetic acid, D. Tartaric acid. The answer is A. Nitric acid. 17th. Soaps are esters of which type of acids? A. Inorganic acids, B. Acetic acid, C. Formic acid, D. Fatty acids. The answer is D. Fatty acid. Now let us study about 10th chapter, periodic classification of elements. First question, element X forms a chloride with the formula XCl2, which is a solid with a high melting point. X would most likely be in the same group of the periodic table as A. Sodium, B. Magnesium, C. Aluminium, D. Silicon. The answer is B. Magnesium. Second, the law of octaves was found to be applicable to elements A. Oxygen, B. Calcium, C. Cobalt, D. Potassium. The answer is B. Calcium. Third question, according to Mendeleev's periodic law, the elements were arranged in the periodic table in the order of A. Increasing atomic number, B. Decreasing atomic number, C. Increasing atomic masses, D. Decreasing atomic masses. The answer is C. Increasing atomic masses. Fourth, in Mendeleev's periodic table, gaps were left for the elements to be discovered later. Which of the following elements found a place in the periodic table later? A. Germanium, B. Chloride, C. Oxygen, D. Silicon. The answer is A. Germanium. Fifth one. Where would you locate the element with electronic configuration 2, 8 in the modern periodic table? A. Group 8, B. Group 2, C. Group 18, D. Group 10. The answer is C. Group 18. Sixth one. An element which is an essential constituent of all organic compounds belong to A. Group 1, B. Group 14, C. Group 15, D. Group 16. The answer is B. Group 14. 7. Which of the following is the outermost shell for elements of period 2? A. K shell, B. L shell, C. M shell, D. N shell. The answer is B. L shell. 8. Which one of the following elements exhibit maximum number of valence electrons? The options are A. Sodium, B. Aluminium, C. Silicon, D. Phosphorus. The answer is D. Phosphorus. 9. Which among the following elements has the largest atomic radii? A. Na, sodium, B, magnesium, C, potassium, D, calcium. The answer is C, K, that is potassium. 10th, which one of the following elements would lose an electron easily? A, magnesium, B, sodium, C, potassium, D, calcium. C, potassium is the answer. 11th, which of the following elements does not lose an electron easily? A, sodium, B, fluorine, C, magnesium, D, aluminium. The answer is B, fluorine. 12th, what type of oxide would Eka aluminium form? A, EO2, B, E3O2, C, E2O3, D, EO. The answer is C, E2O3. 13th question. Three elements B, Si and Ge, that is boron, silicon and germanium, are the options A, metals, B, non-metals, C, metalloids, D, metals, non-metals and metalloids. The answer is C, metalloids. Boron, silicon and germanium are metalloids. So, chemistry is getting completed, MCQ of chemistry is getting completed with this.
Hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get instant updates of the videos